Hello students, I am Dr. PC Cambodia, Associate Professor in the Department of English, BSR Government Arts College, Alwar, Rajasthan. This video is for the students of BA Part 2nd English Literature Paper 2nd. In this video, we discuss the 8th chapter of the novel Inside the Haveli section 1st. In the very beginning of this chapter, we are told that it is the 6th day of mourning of the death of Bhasa. Lakshmi is there, she is full of energy, she is cleaning, sweeping and dusting. So many relatives are also there in the Haveli. She takes care of those relatives. Then she is about to climb a staircase, and then suddenly she listens to a familiar voice. It is the voice of the car driver of Bhagwat Singh Ji, whose name is Hiralal. Hiralal hands over a packet to Lakshmi, and then Lakshmi goes to her room, opens the packet, and she finds that it is a sari. And then she is full of perspiration, and she keeps that sari in one corner of her room, and then she comes back. She again resumes her duty, and the thoughts are there in her mind that what will happen if others will come to know of it. She tries to think that she should report it to the mistress of the Haveli, but she doesn't do that. Then the time period of the mourning of the death of Bhasa increase, and it is the 12th day. Then on that 12th day, professional cooks come in form of a team, and with them little boys are also there. Those professional cooks, they dig the earth in order to give the shape of a furnace, and they lit the fire, and on that fire some utensils of very big size are kept. There are the tins of oil, and then drums of wheat and flour. Raw vegetables are also purchased, they are cleaned, and then there is a preparation of a huge meal to be served to the community. Invitations are sent to the other Havelis and also to their servants and also to the distant relatives. All of them come, and then there is the feasting in many rounds. Those who come, they take leave of Bhagwat Singh Ji, and then they ask Kamarni Sa and Ajay Singh Ji to depart, and all of them express their gratitude for coming them, and then all the maid servants are again busy in order to take the daily routine of the Haveli in proper shape. Thereafter, Lakshmi is supplied by a packet by Hiralal, and then that packet contains some halwa. She takes it to her room, sees it, and then again tries to think to report this matter to the mistress of the Haveli, but she goes on the terrace, and then she places that halwa behind the earthen pots, and then there is a maid servant who takes the long skirt of Kamarni Sa in order to spread it on roof so that the last rays of the sun could touch it in order to dry it completely, and then she recovers the halwa packet and brings it in a small room that was used to put the brooms and the clothes of Parijiji and some grinders made of stones that were round in shape, and then the two maid servants Ganga and the other one discuss the issue of finding the halwa, and then they say that there should be someone who is bringing this halwa, and this is a costly halwa. They cannot bring such a quality of halwa in the Haveli. So the investigations are to be made. Suddenly Gangaram appears and he is red and hot because of anger. His eyes shine like two balls of fire, and he shouts at Lakshmi and says that, where is Lakshmi? Lakshmi is just like a cheap type of a girl who is going all around. She is not fit to be his wife. And then Kavarnisa is there. Kavarnisa warns Gangaram that he cannot shout in front of the owner of the Haveli just like that, and it was she who could manage the marriage of Lakshmi and Gangaram, and Gangaram should be careful because he should think that Lakshmi is a reputed lady, and more so she is a wife, and if something has gone wrong then she will try to investigate the matter. Then Gangaram is caught hold of by Khyali, and Khyali drags him to the outer gate of the Haveli, and suddenly Lakshmi is closed into a room, and Parijiji stands just like a guard over there. And when Gangaram goes away, then the mistress of the Haveli, Kavarnisa, calls Parijiji and asks her what has been going on in the Haveli, who brought the presents for Lakshmi in form of a sari, blouse and halwa. Then Parijiji says that she is vigilant all the 24 hours and her ears are also full of vigilance. Even then, who could bring the halwa and the other gifts in form of silken blouse and sari is a matter of investigation. She would investigate and let the mistress of the Haveli know about it within no time. Then the night falls, all the maid servants they return to their rooms, and Lakshmi is there. She is all alone, lying with her little child Sita. She feeds Sita and then thinks that it is almost midnight, and the personal servant Gokul to the owner of the Haveli would have gone to sleep by that time. So she thinks of a plan of running away from the Haveli. So she doubles her long skirt in order to reduce the length of her long skirt, tightens that long skirt and thinks of a plan to run away from the Haveli, and then her child is left alone. When the morning appears, all the maid servants make a search in order to find Lakshmi. They think that Lakshmi would be somewhere around doing some work, so investigations are made in one section of the Haveli or in the other section of the Haveli, but she is not traced. Then there is yet another problem. Her baby, who was kicking her legs up in air, starts weeping suddenly because she is not fed and she feels hungry. Then the other maid servants quickly make arrangements in order to feed the baby so that baby could be nourished. Then the plans are made in order to search Lakshmi, but the signs of Lakshmi's presence is not there. around and she is not to be found. So Parijiji and Khyali decides that they would be making a search for Lakshmi and try to think where Lakshmi would have gone by that time. Then all of them make a plan and then they think that she should be traced at any cost. We shall be taking the proceedings of the next chapter in our next video class. Thank you so much.